I'm Keith. Welcome to the Rare Bird Pub on the authentic sea coast of Nova Scotia. And I will present to you our Guy's Burger that we made freshly here at the Rare Bird Pub. It is made of 100% naturally ground beef and served with cheddar cheese, and then it comes with your lettuce and tomato and onions and your lovely pickles with a nice crispy house salad. And here we have another Guy's Burger served with sauteed onions and mushrooms and all the fixings. Okay, and I would like to welcome the Burger Broads to Guysborough, Nova Scotia.
Thank you, man.
Awesome.
Excellent. Thank you.